How to comment anonymously on Facebook group. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll find out if it's possible to comment anonymously on a Facebook group. So let us begin. First, open up Facebook. Now here, if you try to just comment on a Facebook post, you cannot comment it anonymously. You will be shown, your profile's information. Now, what if we just go to a group here? So there is this group. Now here, what happens is there is a way you can comment anonymously on a Facebook group, but what happens is that you will need to be on your anonymous post. So if you have an anonymous post, such as this anonymous participant just posted his post, and here only he can comment as an anonymous participant. Now you cannot actually comment on any others anonymous post as anonymous yourself. What you'll need to do is you'll need to create your own anonymous post first and then comment on that very post. So that is how you can comment anonymously on Facebook group posts, and that is basically all for this video too. Thanks for watching guys. I hope this video helped you. If it did, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more.